Hello guys, welcome to Suprema Steno classes. Now I am going to dictate a passage especially for those who are preparing for SSC skill examination, ESIC, FSSIE and other skill examination. Be ready. 5 seconds. The project of smart cities are announced soon after the Narendra Modi led government came into power. This was considered as a step in the direction of urban India's renewal. Over the past few years, the urban cities have been witnessing an increase in migration of population from rural to urban India. This influx has posed a number of challenges over the natives, migrants, as well as the government. Smart cities are considered as a solution to cope with the challenges of urbanization. A smart city is an urban region that is environment friendly, technological, well equipped, and has an efficient core infrastructure along with market viability. The core infrastructure of a smart city includes adequate water supply, assured electricity, sanitation, solid waste management, efficient public transport, and affordable housing, especially for the poor. Robust IT connectivity and digitalization, e-governance and citizen participation, safety and security of citizens are some of the additional components of the core infrastructure of a smart city. Information technology is the cornerstone of all the services offered to the people. Sensors are used to collect, compile, and integrate real time data of electricity, gas, water, traffic, and other government analytics into a smart grid which is to be fed into the computers. With the availability of real time data, computer can ensure nearly perfect operations such as synchronization of traffic signals during the peak traffic hours, striking a balance between the demand and supply of electricity networks, etc. As the premise of a smart city is based on the market drivers of demand and supply, these cities promise benefits to the businesses, citizens, environment, and the government along with sustainable development. Ever since the launch of this project, governments, think tanks, ministries, and private firms have been working together to make Dream Project a success. As of now, the government has announced an initial target of 100 smart cities in the next 5 years. Instead of building brand new cities, the government plans to develop and build a smart towns on the lines of smart cities in the vicinity of the existing urban areas, upgrade the existing mid-sized cities and build settlements along the industrial corridors. The smart cities are expected to have a special investment regions along with a modified tax structure in order to attract foreign investments. These cities are considered to be the magnets for investments which will eventually lead to the creation of a large number of jobs in the region. This project will witness a large number of public private partnerships in its due course. Although everything looks rosy on papers, there is a gap between the dream of a smart city and its accomplishment. The government has allocated rupees 7,000 crore to the smart city project in the budget, which is roughly rupees 70 crore per city. This amount is not enough for the development of a smart city. It is great as an initial kick start to the project, but funds need to be pulled in at repeated intervals. India will have to channelize its untapped resources in order to fill these lacunae. As the government plans to integrate the smart cities with the existing ones, it needs to narrow down the challenges that are specific to a city and then work upon them. The project of the smart city needs to be implemented and executed in a fast manner. There may be regions which boast of a robust infrastructure but continue to face the shortage of electricity and water. At the same time, there may be regions which have interrupted water and power supply but have poor infrastructure. Obviously, the challenges for both the regions will be different, and so will be their solutions. Many countries and multinational giants have expressed their interest for participation in the development of the smart cities, which will eventually lead to a large number of public-private partnerships. As a beginning to the smart city project, MOUs have been signed between the US government and 3 state governments of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh for the smart cities of Ajmer, Allahabad and Visakhapatnam respectively. Each state has been assigned a task force with representatives from central government, state government and US Trade and Development Agency. The final report submitted by the task force teams will be the basis for the action plan for these cities. Germany has decided to partner with India's Smart City program and will help developing Kochi, Kerala, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu as smart cities. These 3 cities are among the top 20 cities selected by Urban Development Ministry, which are to be developed as a smart cities. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan government have set up a special purpose vehicles SPV for the implementation of a smart city plans. SPV has been set up for 5 cities: Jabalpur, Indore, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh and Jaipur and Udaipur, Rajasthan. Stop. So guys, ये डिक्टेशन था आपको अराउंड 800 वर्ड्स का. होप सो कि आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, आपकी एरर कम से कम जाए. अपने आप को हार्ड कंडीशन के लिए रेडी रखिए और फ्लक्चुएशंस के साथ लिखने के लिए प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. और यदि आपको मेरा डिक्टेशंस पसंद आ रहा है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. और यदि आपकी कोई क्यूरीज है स्किल एग्ज़ाम के रिगार्डिंग तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिए. धन्यवाद.